Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC. And for us to be able to get started, just open the CapCut onto your device. And once you're already in, it's time to add in the videos that you want to go ahead and add in a masking. So as you can see, there is an import option here onto the upper left corner of the screen. And if you click onto this, there should be an option for you to go ahead and browse onto your different files, or you could just simply go ahead and drag and drop the videos that you want to use. So for example, we're going to go ahead and use that one and the specific video in here. Now, if you want to go ahead and use this as our main videos, we're going to go ahead and drag and then drop this here onto the timeline. So it should look something like this. So you could also click onto this plus icon and it will go ahead and automatically add this onto your timeline. So let's delete that and let's try to trim this up until as per liking. So we're going to go ahead and mask the walking of this specific video. So we're going to leave it up until here. And first, to be able to go ahead and add in a mask, let's add in the other video. Put it here after that one. And then we're just going to go ahead and click onto the first video that we have added in here. Now here onto the upper right, there should be an option for you here that says mask. Now if you click onto that, you should be able to see different options such as horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangle, heart, and star. So there are a lot of options to choose from. And since this one is a walking form, then we're going to go ahead and try to choose horizontal for that one. So you could go ahead and turn this one since we want to go ahead and have it moving just like this one vertically. Then we're going to go ahead and have this one twisted up until 90%, or we could go ahead and have this fit the walking video. So the first of our keyframe in here, we're going to start at the right side of the video. We're going to start at where the walking has started. So we're going to leave it just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and add a keyframe and click onto this diamond icon here onto the upper right corner. Now each time it is moving, we're going to go ahead and move the keyframe as well for that. So it should go ahead and follow the person just like that. Move this line in here and it will automatically add a keyframe as well. So you could go ahead and have this by seconds so that it should be very accurate. So let's just gonna do it just like this just for this tutorial. And let's wait until we finish all of this. Now our keyframe should end as well onto the end of the video, and for us to be able to add this as a mask, then we're going to go ahead and drag the video that we have added a keyframe here onto the upper part corner of the screen. So as you can see, it should look something like this. So it is like a cool effect or a cool transition that we have. And to have this one smoothly, if you click onto this video in here, below the different mask option, there are options to do a feather in here. So we're going to go ahead and add a feather in here so that it is actually smooth when it is moving. So let's try to cut this one first. So let's split this or delete the right for this one. And if we do a quick preview, this is how the video turns out. And that is just basically it onto how to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.